Hey everybody, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker ATER or Aterian Inc. I've been covering this one for a while. So fairly flat on the day, down 1% right now. So just down about 4 or 5 cents on the day. Thing has fallen through a key support level I've been talking about. It was a dynamic support, the 100-day exponential moving average, and we've seen a lot of rejection since that fall through. So you have the big move down here from over $7 all the way down to almost 4. Had a little rally here, but again rejecting this moving average, moving lower again, trying to bounce back up, couldn't get there. A little bit of a sell-off, trying to rally up again, but again not able to get back toward that moving average or to that moving average. We saw a nice test of it right here, but now you can see a pretty big wick sticking out here on this 1 hour time frame. Sellers coming in and the price moving lower. So I was kind of looking around, I don't know, maybe the 415, 420 level, somewhere in there. And we could see it dipped a little bit below that, but quickly rallied up. But I'm still kind of keeping an eye on that level, because if this thing sells through around $4 or maybe 412, 413, now that we made a move down to that level there, I think this thing could draw down pretty decently. You can see when this thing was in an uptrend here and this thing was ripping, we had it bounce pretty nicely off of the $4 level there. So that was a previous support in the uptrend that we bounced off of nicely, and it ripped hard. So if the sellers can crush it below this $4 level, close it below that, I think it could come down and test around maybe 332, 333, somewhere in there. And that would be the next spot I would be keeping an eye on if this thing does not hold $4. Again, if this thing sells through that $4 level on this 1 hour time frame, closes below that, I think you could have a little bit of a short entry swing trade in there, as this thing probably goes down and tries to test around 330, 333, somewhere in there. And then to the upside, zoom back in here to the recent price action. So we've got rejection even right now around 450. So as we can see, we made this move down, this rally up towards this moving average, and then starting to sell off again. So I would like to see it as a first step kind of bust through the 450 level. If we could get through that, I think maybe it could test the body of these candles here up around 490. And that should be somewhere around the 100-day EMA. If we start to rally here, we get above this level, we go up and challenge maybe above this level around 490. That could be a good sign. Maybe this thing could get back above the 100-day EMA. Definitely a key level for the stock price in the past, as it went into that uptrend and it was really ripping, moving all the way up to $7, above $7 there. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated here on ticker ATER or Aterian Inc. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.